His workspace offers probably the most breathtaking view you could ever dream of.
Closer than a quarter mile.
Wow, look at that pop up.
There's a shooter.
Wow.
Next time you complain about crowds during rush hour, remember this train in Bangladesh. This is why it's often best to look at certain things from afar. This place looks like the planet just got an update with new locations. An octopus found itself a less than ideal hiding spot. It wasn't safe in that plastic cup, so a kind-hearted diver decided to help it find a better home. Even though the launch was unsuccessful, it was still incredibly spectacular.
Loud. Yeah, ready? Yep. Back it up. 90-meter borehole. Here we go. Nice.
How cool of a fan do you have to be to steal the spotlight from the game? These guys know the answer.
有仨。
看，
我的妈！
看，
我的妈呀！我
这下看见了吗？
我这是塌方。
啊，我的塌方。
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Water is a force that should never be underestimated. Seems like someone around there started playing Jumanji.
Pues nada, es un atardecer muy bonito con los aviones y tal, coches aparcados, una jardinera y de repente ¡pagada!
This might be the most absurd plane accident ever. Or is it a car accident?
Buah, el morro y todo, mira, todo metido para adentro.
That is so scary. That is so scary. And listen to that pour over the mountain and come. That is so cool.
This monstrous structure is an oil rig that's about to be launched into the water. I wonder, what powers such a massive machine? Seems like these guys are considering a move.
That is low. That is low.
Oh, he's gonna be fast. Oh boy.
It's hard to believe this place exists, but that only makes you want to visit it even more. If it weren't for the calm sea, you might think a tsunami was approaching the shore. But what you're seeing is just a particular type of cloud formation. This mesmerizing phenomenon is called an Arcus cloud. One of the great things about the internet is how it lets you experience things you would otherwise never see, like the process of boarding and disembarking from an icebreaker.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Beautiful vacation spots offer more than just crystal clear waters and white sandy beaches. They also come with serious natural challenges.
Oh my God.
There are plenty of crazy stunts out there, but this one is definitely among the top 10. If these guys were in The Lord of the Rings, the movie would be a lot shorter. Just when you think nature has nothing left to surprise you with, something like this happens. The cause is groundwater seeping through rotting trees. Recently, a breathtaking meteor with a shimmering blue-green color flew across the skies of Portugal. It's a rare chance to catch something like that on camera. Here's what meteorologists mean when they say there's a 50% chance of rain. You're about to see how quickly the landscape can change in just a few minutes. The landslide occurred in Myanmar when the dam holding back waste from jade mining collapsed. Even though these crabs aren't real, encountering them during a night walk would be quite a surprise.
Three, two, one.
Why use a chainsaw when you have a sharpshooter like this around?
That's crazy.
You got it.
Oh, back order. Estimated to ship August 13th.
Oh my God!
What?
Look next to you. Look, come on, just come in. Just come in.
The bear just wanted to relax with some nice company, but they turned out to be introverts.
Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
You wouldn't believe it, but just one helicopter flying over the beach can turn a relaxing day into complete chaos. It doesn't look eco-friendly anymore. This video is a perfect example of thinking outside the box. To unload coal from the cart, they just tip the cart over. I'm no expert, but it feels like this river could use a bit more river. If you feel like there's something off with this turbine, you're correct. Now, let's see what that led to.
Alors ça c'est quelque chose. Hein.
I've seen some really creepy stuff, but nothing like this. There's a palm floating right in the middle of the air. It's not attached to wires.
Thinking about taking up cycling? This tree is saying it's not too late to change your mind. We live in the future, so catching animals to put trackers on them looks like this.